Hey, you guys. I am back with another video. I am LaTersa Blakely, and this is Living Your Best Life, because on this channel, I do videos about entrepreneurship, work from home, and motivation and inspiration, because it's truly my desire to see you win in every area of your life. So if you are ready to make some extra money from home, doing things that you can start today, stick around. This video is just for you. So listen, today I'm going to be sharing with you some new things that I've discovered on how you can make money from home. Y'all know I love giving y'all ways to make some extra money, because it's my philosophy. I believe you should have more than one stream of revenue. You shouldn't just depend on one income source. So listen, before we go into this video, if you have not already picked up your free guide on how to start your business, listen, even if you don't have no experience, my free book is going to really teach you step by step on how to do just that. And also, I'm going to throw in the 10 key essential business essentials that you need to be successful in business. So if you have not already got that, make sure you click the link right above, right in the top area of this description right below, so that you can go ahead and get started. Because remember, you guys, in 2020, I want you guys to rock it out. I want you to have multiple streams of income. I don't want you to be suffering or anything like that. I want you to have happy families, happy kiddos, happy hubbies. I want you to have healthy relationships all the way around. So let's jump right into this. Easy ways to make money online. Now, some of these you may have heard and some of these you may not. But y'all know I'm going to keep preaching and keep singing that you need more than one stream of revenue. So the first one is, this is something you can do, and it doesn't even take you long. If there's an expertise that you know, if there's something that you do really good and you're really good at it, why not teach it in like an audio or an ebook? So selling digital courses or digital things will allow you to bring in some income really fast. I'll never forget one of my clients. Once I taught her this in one of our consultations, she had that ebook out in a couple of days, and she was making money just like that. So it does not take you a lot of time to create an ebook. You can use your Word document, type that bad baby up, save it as a PDF, go to sites like Fiverr or Upworks, get you a cute little ebook cover. Or if you crafty like myself, you know how to use Canva, design your whole ebook in Canva and put that baby on site like payhip.com or sales, SELZ.com, and sell your digital products. In that way, you'll be making consistent revenue. Before long, you'll have an extra $300 to $500 a month. What could you do with an extra $300 to $500 a month? I don't know about you, but I could use that. So digital courses is a quick and easy way to make money online. And then the second one is, if you love encouraging people, if you love teaching people what you learn, you can have a coaching and consulting business. You charge your fee, and you know your time is valuable, so you're charging people a fee to get up close and personal with you. Now, this can be a little bit time consuming because you are on the phone with people, but if you love talking and you love doing it and you have the time to do it, you can charge a fee. Now, this fee is not going to be cheap, because your time is valuable and you're giving them exclusive tips, strategies just for them. So you can start earning money with coaching and consulting. And then the third thing is, you can do customer service reps. They're always hiring companies. I think I'm gonna do a video on the top 10 companies that are always hiring work from home moms. And one of those is customer service rep. If you love being on the phone, if you love doing stuff like that, you could be a customer service rep. Companies are always hiring, like Hilton, what's some other companies? I remember back in the day, I did one with AC Direct. That's when I was taking like pledges over the phone from people. You know, you see those commercials of people that's neglecting dogs and stuff, and you call in to give your donation so that you can help them find a home. I did that for a couple of years. I used to do one with a company called Playo, and I'll leave a link below the video so you'll know, and you can go do your own research. I did one with Playo, and that was like calling elderlies, reminding them to take their medications. So it's things like that that you can make. And most of these companies, some of them like Live Ops, they pay you based on the calls that you take. But then if you're like me, you want something full time, some of these companies like Hilton, they pay you $11 to $13 an hour. So you want to do your research. And I'm going to leave some links below for companies that hire customer service rep. You can also, if you don't like phone, you can do chat agents, you know, where you chat and type to the customers when they get online and have questions and stuff. So that's easier if you don't want to be on the phone. And then the next one you can do is Facebook and Instagram ad managers, where you do ads for people. You know, some people just not good at doing Facebook and Instagram ads. I know I was one of them people. That's just one of my specialty. So I would always outsource to people. You can post your profile on Fiverr or Upworks and put your fee. And if that's what you love doing, you can start making money, because people are always trying to find ways to build their audience. And, you know, now with the way Facebook and Instagram is made up, you got to pay to play. So if you're not good at getting ads that give you good results, then if you like to do stuff like that and you know how to get results, people will pay you for that, and good money, by the way. Because I used to be a social media manager, where I used to post for different companies, or I used to respond to emails, check. So it's various ways that you can be creative with your skill sets and get paid for it. And then the next one is freelancer. If you love to edit, if you love to write articles for people, you can write blog posts for people and get paid. If you like to, say you like photography, you can freelance and consult, you know, put your fee up there on Facebook or Instagram and say, you know, if you're looking for a reasonable photographer, you can freelance your services like that. I mean, you can freelance just about anything, you guys. It's nothing under the sun that you can't freelance for. So if that's what you like to do, that would be a great one. And a blogger, you know, there are several ways that you can get paid by being a blogger. And I know when I first started back in my diaper cake days, I used to get paid to have ads on my blog, which I don't do that much of that anymore. But I used to get paid for people to post ads on my blog. Now, here's the thing. Your blog got to get a certain amount of traffic, because people not paying you just to be on your blog. They're paying you because you got a great big following. So they'll pay you good money, because I know the highest I got paid was, I think, $650. But, you know, that was way back in the 2009 days. You know, that was, so it's probably even more now. But I would take like 3 to 4 ad spaces a month. And so that adds up. That's an additional $2,400 right there just for ad space on your blog. I mean, you can offer your services, your digital courses that I mentioned. You can offer that on your blog. So your blog is like your main hub, like your main store. Everything that you offer should be on your store. When people come to your site, they should be able to tell what you do from just looking at your site. And so being a blogger is a good way. Being a full-time YouTuber. I know one of my goals in 2020 is to be a full-time YouTuber, because I love creating content for you guys. I love inspiring you guys. I love teaching you guys how to just be, and how to be your highest self, how to live your best life, how to be make money from home, because, you know, that's my way of giving back. So you can make money as a full-time YouTuber. Now, here's the thing. There are some guidelines that you must follow in order to get your channel monetized. And you have to have 4,000 views within the last 24 months. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. And, you know, my little channel hasn't made it there yet, but that's my goal in 2020, is to have 100K subscribers. That's my goal. Yes, it's huge. It's big. I'm a big dreamer, you guys. And I know with hard work, it can happen. You can collaborate with other bloggers. You can collaborate with other YouTubers when you start your YouTube channel. So make sure you're giving valuable content, and make sure you always have um, links to your actual products and services, because that's another way you can make money from YouTube. Not just Google AdSense, but if you are a mompreneur like myself, you can offer your products and services right from YouTube. So make sure you are using all resources that you have. So that's another way. And then another one is this one is really fun. A mystery shopper online call agent. And I used to do this, you guys. And basically what you're doing is you just acting as if you're a real customer, and you're kind of taking notes on how the customer service is. How was the agent that you spoke with? You know, you're acting as if you're really going to purchase the service, and then you get paid a certain amount of money for as many calls as you do. And then you also can be a mystery shopper and get paid to go on dates with your hubby. I used to do this, you guys. I'm telling you, it's so fun. You can make it a family thing. I remember I had one mom, she went on a trip to Disney World, mystery shopping. I mean, it's all kinds of creative ways to make money, you guys. And I have an ebook on mystery shopping and some of the companies that I've worked for. I'm going to leave a link below for that ebook, you guys. It's $5.99. So if you want that ebook, I'm going to have the link below to get started with mystery shopping, because you can do this on your free time. You can do this on the weekend, after work. You choose the store that they have available, and you go and do the things that they ask you to do, and come back and do your little report on it. And then you get paid. You get paid through PayPal. Some of the companies, and some of the companies send you a check. So it's however way you set that up. So it's fun, you guys. So make sure you're not sleeping on mystery shopping, because it is such a thing as a mystery shopper. And then the next one is a transcriptionist. If you love listening to audios and you can type really good, sites like rev.com, that was one I used back in the day. And I still use them for my own personal business. You know, for my own business. If I do an audio and I want it transcribed, I use them or Fiverr. You can be a transcriptionist, you know, type doctor's notes or audio conferences calls, you know, and you get paid, you know, so much an hour to transcribe so many words, you know, so many minutes of an audio or video. So if you're good at typing while you're listening to something, a transcriptionist is a quick and easy way, and it doesn't cost anything up front to start. It's usually free to start on one of these sites. And then the next one is, if you are fluent in English and you love teaching kids, then an online English teacher. And one of the companies that I know of that's reputable is VIP Kids. If you are looking to make some extra money, and with VIP Kids, you can make up to $22 an hour. It just depends on how many classes you get booked. You know, that's how it goes on. So you're pretty much teaching Chinese kids or Japanese kids English, because, you know, they're not fluent in English. So it's amazing how you teaching little kids. It really brings out the kid in you. So that's one you can look into. And then if you love apparel, like the shirt I got on now, sparkle all the way. You can start your own t-shirt business. And I know I have t-shirts and mugs, and I'll try to put some pictures up here. One of my shirts was the Mommy Maven. I had a Mommy Maven's mug. I am enough, because you all know I highly believe that you are absolutely enough. So I was rocking that. I have one t-shirt called, and I'll try to post a picture so you can see it. I'm not what you call me, but I'm what God says. So that's starting your own merchandise, a t-shirt company. You know, you can do that. And then another one that I just found out about is a company called Humanatic. And I was researching them, and what it is basically is you're like a quality assurance person. Like, you listen to calls and you critique them. So if you like to do that, you get paid based on the calls that you do. So if you got some free time and you just want to make a couple of extra bucks or something, then that will be a good company to check out. And then another one that I signed up for, I haven't gotten started with it yet, is called user testing. You test out different websites to see how It is navigating it. Is it easy to navigate? You're testing out different websites and companies online, and you can get paid up to $50 a pop, a gig. So that's another way to do it. And some of them you can do it from your phone, and some of them you have to do them on an actual laptop. And then the last but not least is a virtual assistant. And you can be a virtual assistant for just about anything. You could be a Pinterest virtual assistant. And I know last year that was like really hot. It's still hot. It was like one of the big things, because for me, I had Pinterest back in the day when it was my diaper cakes, but I've now integrated it with my business now. And I get so much traffic from my blog if I share my stuff on Pinterest. Pinterest is like a site, kind of like YouTube. They go to find stuff visual. They're always looking to find out different stuff, and it's more of a visual, so you get to see. So when you post stuff like on Pinterest, share your blog posts, share your YouTube videos, that's driving traffic. And you can, if you love that type of stuff, you could be a Pinterest virtual assistant. You could be a social media virtual assistant. You can be a virtual assistant for just about anything, because people are looking for extra help. If you good with numbers, and that's not my area of specialties, but if you like numbers, you can be a virtual bookkeeper. For a company, a small business owner that wants to keep their books in order, you can be a virtual bookkeeper. It's nonstop, you guys, on what you can do. So again, I hope this list helps spark that creativity in your life, so that you understand you can have multiple streams of income and not be stressed out about money, even working from home. And so and I forgot another one, you can start your own business. I'm always going to throw that in there, because starting your own business is where you can depend on that. Because in this day and economy, things are just not guaranteed. And so you always want to have something that you can call your own. And starting your business is one way to do that. And like I said, make sure you download the free ebook on how to start your business with no experience. So even if you have no clue, you could get started with your business today, because I'm going to help you. And then I also have the free guide, the 10 key business essentials that you need. And it talks about, your why. It breaks it down. It gives you kind of a guide to write down all the stuff that you need in order to start your business. So make sure you download that, you guys. My gift to you is free. So all you need to put your best email in there, your name, and then you would get access to it immediately. If you want more coaching, I do have my one-on-one sessions available right now. You just click the link in my bio. But I also want you guys to stay tuned for Living Your Best Life Academy that's coming out in 2020. So make sure you stay connected to this channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. The links will be below in the video. As always, remember, you are enough, and everything that you need, it's already on the inside of you. God bless, and I will see you soon. Bye.